Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're having a good day. So today I'm opening my second Unplugged book box. Last time I opened this, I brought up starting a book club, and it seemed like a lot of people were actually interested in doing a book club. So we just need to get organized and figure out a way on how to do this. So if you guys are interested and you have ideas about how we can put this into action, definitely leave a comment down below. So obviously Unplugged is a book subscription. You get a book and then you also get some other goodies as well. So we could use this for the book club, or we can just take suggestions for the book of the month, or I don't know, throw your ideas out there. I'd love to hear them. This is the second one I've ever received. I think I might have already said that. Sorry if I'm repeating myself already. But I'm super excited to see what we got this month. I have no idea what's in store for us today, but before we get started, I just want to let you know that I will leave the link down below and all of that good stuff, the pricing information. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. And then on the side it says relax, rejuvenate, reboot. We can all use some of that, right? I think reading counts as self-care. Do you guys? Anyways, I'm gonna get this open. Let's get started on the unboxing. Before I even opened it, I noticed there's a little quote right here. It says, "Yet sunshine brightens after rain, the darkness comes and goes again, so solace follows bitter pain as seasons wax and wane." Elizabeth Akers Allen. Awesome. And here is inside, there's a little card on top. It says Independence, July 2019, adult fiction theme, unplugged book box. So, and then on the back, there's some information on the products that come inside. Everything is nicely wrapped and hidden. I can't even see what's in there yet. So here's something wrapped up. Oh, so this is a soap, I think. I wonder if the shape of this has to do with something. So it's a Discovery of Witches, Diana Bishop, Black Raspberry, and Vanilla Bar Soap. Cool. Is that like a, what is that on top? It looks like a brain or something, I don't know. It smells good. So let's see what if it says, so it does say something on here. It says, a Discovery of Witches soap. Diana Bishop from A Discovery of Witches by Deborah Harkness was the epitome of an independent thinker. She thinks differently than everyone else, perhaps because of her creature race genetics. This soap was made exclusively for the Unplugged by the Witches Bath. So this is what it looks like. Some soap. It smells really good. Like raspberries. Ooh, here are some candles by Mustang. Cool water, cinnamon, and leather, scented, 100% soy, hand poured. It says thank you. Visit getfictional.com and use the code unplug19 to receive 20% off your entire order. So here is the packaging. So these are tea light candles, Red Rising tea light candles. These votive candles, inspired by the Red Rising by Pierce Brown, represent Darrow and Mustang. They are known for helping one another achieve independence and victory. These were created by Get Fictional Candles for the Unplugged book box. They smell good. So awesome. I have a little like lantern thing I could use these for, so I'm definitely excited to get more because I am out. And these are good to have nearby you when you're reading. It just makes it even more cozier, right? And then we have something by Good Omens, the Soothe Away Hellfire Burns, and then it has holy water crossed out. This is 1 ounce of aloe vera gel, not to be used on demons. This is what it looks like. Good Omens aloe vera. This aloe vera gel will soothe your warm skin after a long day in the sun. It is an Unplugged exclusive inspired by Good Omens by Neil Gaiman and Terry Pratchett. The end times will force Aziraphale and Crowley away from their cozy life into a world of independence. This was created by Team Unplugged. Cool, so all of these have to do with different books. If you guys have read any of them, let us know. Oh, there's more of the soy candles. These are called Darrow. Oh, I'm so glad to get more of these. This one smells like sweet vengeance, sharp citrus, and hot spice. Awesome. Smell these ones. Definitely smells like sweet vengeance. Smells really good. Smell-o-vision. Awesome. And then something cutely wrapped. What is this little cute thing? Oh my god, so cute. So you can use this, I think, with your tea lights. This is a mini mason jar, and on it there's a compass, and then it says, "Cheers to never growing up." It's like Peter Pan. Can you guys see? So mini mason jar. Peter Pan never wanted to grow up, but was a very independent and mischievous young boy. This mini mason jar will remind us that through adulthood demands independence, we can all embrace our inner child now and then. It was created by Teen Unplugged for this box. Awesome. So I wonder how this works. But yeah, it says, I don't know. I don't know if they just fit in there, but you can probably do something with this. Any ideas of how I can use this mini mason jar? It is so cute and mini. This is a Fight Club mug rug. So you can put your like hot mugs on this. Cool. This is what the back looks like. It's like cushiony. So it says, "Embrace your inner Tyler Durden" from Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk. Sorry, I'm probably saying his name wrong. With this dark and gritty fabric that reminded us of some of our favorite scenes from Fight Club. Tyler represented the free person that the narrator wished he could be. Gosh, I can't speak. This was made by Clockwork Heart Co. And they have an Etsy shop. So awesome. I never read the book Fight Club, but I saw the movie and I really enjoyed it. I haven't seen it in a while. It kind of makes me want to. I think the last thing is the book, and this is, oh wait, what else is here? Oh, and then there's a little card too. I think it talks about next month. So the book is all wrapped up. I love this. This is like opening presents. Oh, I love the look of this book. Isn't it like a very intriguing cover? It says The Daughters of Temperance Hobbes by Catherine Howe, author of the New York Times bestseller, The Physic Book of Deliverance Dane. So let's read a little bit more about this. I'm so excited. So these are like just some testimonials. Let's read the inside. Oh! So it just dropped off. I forgot they did this last month. I think this is so cool. So it says The Daughter of Temperance Hobbes, and then it has the actual signature of the author, and it's like real. It's not like a copy. So you could actually put this sticker inside the book. It's your choice. Some people don't like to alter their books in any way, or you can just keep like a little sticker collection of the author's signatures. But I think that is such a cool and unique touch. So this book is $28 US or 38 Canadian dollars. And it says, New York Times bestselling novelist Catherine Howe returns to the beloved territory of her first book with this bewitching story of New England professor who must race against time to break a family curse. And then there's a note in here. I think this note will be from the author. Like last month we had a note from the author. Yes. So I'll read this to you. And this was written June 12th, 2019. Dear friends, I have been waiting 10 years to tell the story of the Daughters of Temperance Hobbes, and I can't believe this day is finally here. Back in 2009, I was 32 years old, a grad student, writing novels in secret, and Connie Goodwin was a 25-year-old girl, grad student, living in 1991. Connie discovered that one of the Salem witches may have been the real thing and might have left a physic book of spells behind. Connie's search led us on a quest that would change both of our lives forever in the physic book of Deliverance Dane. Today, Connie and I have both grown. Connie is an assistant professor of colonial American history in 2000, juggling her life and her career and the demands of her boyfriend and family. When something abruptly changes in Connie's personal life, she realizes she must untangle the story of Temperance Hobbes, another woman in the Dane family line. She lived in Marblehead, Massachusetts in 1816. To save the life of someone close to her, the Daughters of Temperance Hobbes explores what happens when complicated women confront not only the vulnerabilities and powers within themselves, but their place within their chosen communities and lives. The novel also asks, what happens to witches when they're not called witches anymore? Yours, Catherine Howe. Cool, so that gave a good little overview of what the book is about. So that is everything that came in the July Unplugged book box. There's also a little sneak peek in here for what next month is all about. It says Adult Fiction Unplugged book box, relaxation is the theme for August. So you guys have to let me know your ideas of how we can get this book club started. And if you're interested, please leave a comment so I can kind of get an idea of how many people want to do this, like if we should do it and all of that. And if you guys want to do this book, or we can start with the book from last month. I know at least one of you were reading that. Let me know your thoughts down below if you finish. But yeah, so I definitely could use some ideas on how we can get this started, but I think this is such a cute box. I I've been saying this, but I really want to start getting more into reading. I have a couple books now to read, and I am very intrigued by this one. I was actually talking to witches last night with one of you guys on Instagram. We were talking about witches, so yeah, I'm totally into it. So leave your thoughts down below. I love to hear from you guys. I hope you're having a great day, and hopefully we can get this whole book club thing situated and started, because it sounds so fun, and it's another reason for us to like hang out and live chat or whatever. But anyways, love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.